One of the greatest scientific revolutions of the modern day was the discovery that the Earth's continents are not fixed. The Quran itself sheds light on this topic. "And the earth, we have spread it out, and placed therein firm mountains, rawasiya, and we have made to grow therein every kind of beautiful species." In verses such as this, the Holy Quran tells us that the earth has been spread out. This verse is difficult to understand except in the context of modern science. We now know that tectonic plates are produced in a process literally called seafloor spreading. This occurs at mid-ocean ridges, where magma bursts out of the earth to produce oceanic crust. This process also produces volcanoes on the ocean floor, which become seamounts, or rawasiya, as explained earlier. But there is more. Not only is the crust of the earth literally produced in seafloor spreading, but tectonic plates have themselves been spread across the surface of the globe. By discussing the shifting ground on which we walk, and linking it to seamounts, the Quran has once again demonstrated its truth for our scientific age. It is indeed extraordinary that so many of the remarkable scientific discoveries of the last 100 years, from discovering the intricate biological processes in embryological development, to unraveling the Big Bang and the expansion of the universe, were foretold 1400 years ago in the Holy Quran. Without the help of God, is it possible that an illiterate man living in the Arabian wilderness could even have dreamt such things, let alone predicted them with such startling accuracy? We say no, and hold this as evidence that the Quran was not the word of man, but the word of God.